I'm struggling to find a job right now. Please help me.
See,
bro, you made the camera go blurry. What'd you do?
I had to run when the spinners turned on.
And now I'm bleeding, that's great.
You shouldn't do that.
You should not turn on the game.
That's the tiniest cut. You should rub it some grass. It'll be good.
No! Okay, are you on? Are you on?
I'm not on.
Are you on?
Gushes. Oh, sorry. Frog gushes. Feel the gush of frogs right inside of your veins.
It's better than I go miserably horribly into my face.
Oh, okay. You have your phone to protect you.
Okay, back up, y'all. Back up.
Nah.
I got a real life human being to protect me.
Alright. Hey, that's a bit close for comfort. You know what?
That's cool.
I have an orange in my hand.
Why do you have an orange in your hand?
Permission?
Good.
Hold on. No! The orange is cooked.
Wait, what?
Look at the orange. Oh my gosh.
Hold up, open its wounds real quick.
That's not. That's gore. We can't have that. Don't cut my fingers.
I don't want to take that.
You made the orange get gore.
I killed it. It's psychopathic.
It's definitely a former just guy who's been stuck in the ground for 1,000 years and is trapped with an Earth's core, so it's the only thing that he can use to interact with the surface of the world. Why are you pointing the camera right to my neck?
It's the Adam's apple, bro.
And I'm bleeding from this spot too. That's just.
You see, I wouldn't do that if I were you. I wouldn't bleed.
This is why you need to eat some gushes.
Ow.
You just cut your finger again.
Yeah, cut my fist again.
You shouldn't be doing that, man.
You should hold it like this.
Not vertically, bro. Okay, you took the battery out.
Because my drone want to freaking murder me for some reason. I don't know.
I think you should like break every single part apart and then just rebuild it. I'm just kidding. That's stupid.
You probably blinded.
It's a brand new drone too. Just make sure not to throw orange at it again.
Look at me, sir, when I'm looking at you.
Okay.
Alright, now this video has to end up with a bang, so put on fireworks and